Okay, here I'm in. I mowed some of this. I trimmed that yard and this yard because the yard I'm doing needs to be trimmed. Well, not much. So I trimmed it, and I trimmed the lawn next door because I'm going to mow that one too. I like to trim first, because then if I have anything long sitting on top of the grass, all it does is shred it up and send it out. Yeah, and since I go back the other way, I don't know where the hell I'm in. Well, I don't know where the hell I'm in anytime. There it is. There's something there. Alright, so anyway, I missed the whole video. I think I turned it off too early, or it went off something or other. Oh, that's my bag. They didn't provide a side pouch this year on here. So I got tools and stuff, and my hat, and my string. My trimmer string is in there, and I got a wrench for lifting the deck and putting it down. So if I have to lift the deck, I can put it down. If I put it down, I can also lift it, but that would take the other side of the wrench. So anyway, I needed a bag because they didn't put anything. There's a little cabinet inside here, but everything will bounce out, and I couldn't get that bag in there. So I hung it. It's got two handles on a handle on each side, and all I did was tie them together through the vent. Yeah, I know. Gowie, you are the man. And it's a junk purse, too, so Sharon said I could have it. I'm in. Alright, I'm going to do this lawn, I'm going to do that lawn over there, and I'm all done for the day. It's rained for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It was raining this morning, and the sun finally came out and it looked decent. So I figured I'd get out and mow. Well, it's gray again, and if it comes down, I'm just going to go home. I'm right around it. Yeah, you know what it is. Hope everybody knows by now. Shit, I tell everybody on the video, I live over here. Ooh, fastball away. Whistle. I'm a good singer, huh? I'm the man or what? Oh, no, Gary, you're just not the man. You are the mowing guy. Yep. Oh, missed the spot. Get it. Got it. So most of the grass gets cut on these blades because they suck the grass up so hard that it hasn't a choice but to go through the cutting. Like even some of the crabgrass that's sitting sideways is pulled up. Yep, like I said. There it is. Look at that. A tractor, the guy mowing the lawn with a girl's bag on it. Much. See, not much. Can't tell what's there. I know I can't. Can you see it? Tell me. Now this kind of stuff here, I can kind of go backwards and around. Oh, I know. I didn't mow this last week. That's right. It was nothing but dust. Total duck bucket. I couldn't go 2 inches without blowing out the whole yard, and it was just covered. You haven't seen the video yet. I'll put it on and you'll see it. I must have made one. Yeah, I'll make a video of anything. Damn, I think I lost 10,000 videos. Whatever. Yeah, I was suspended for 3 months, but I don't think they're going to put me back onto they gave me my page back, but no URL. In other words, they just can't type it in. They just have to go searching for the guy. And if you know the Beezer guy, you better start searching right now, because you're missing stuff. Yeah, I don't have the vigor that I had with my other videos. I only upload, maybe 3 or 4 videos a day to YouTube. And I used to do 10, 15 a day sometimes. Yeah, I don't anymore. And I got them. I got about 350 left out of the 485 that I had. I had it on storage. Alright, you guys are done. I'm done talking. I don't know if I said something in the last video that I thought I deleted, but I didn't delete, so here's 2 videos.